Good morning, everyone. Remember, have a great, positive, and beautiful day today. So we're going to start with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. So today's core value is sweating the small stuff. The introduction for sweating the small stuff. Today we will learn about sweating the small stuff means. At school, there are big things to think about, such as going to college one day. But there are also a lot of small stuff you need to do right now to be ready for the big things when they are here. Sweating the small stuff means you can take care of all the little details that make a big difference. Sometimes we have a visitor that will visit our school. Do you think they want to walk into a school where there is trash in the hallway or trash in your classroom? Probably not. You can sweat the small stuff by making sure your school and your classrooms are clean. For example, if you see a milk carton on the table and someone forgot it, don't just leave it on the table. Sweat the small stuff and pick it up and throw it away, even if it's not yours. Our cafeteria would look so clean if we all did something like that. Idea 55, Rule 2. Make eye contact. When someone is speaking, keep your eyes on him or her at all times. If someone makes a comment, turn and face that person. Practice with your family at home. What is your mood today? Are you all excited, sad, surprised, or happy? I'm happy because we're Wednesday and it's almost Friday. Days of the week and today's date. So yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. So the date for today is September 23rd, 2020, and it is hot outside. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Schedule for today. Today we will be doing some math for our 6th and 7th graders and some humanity for our 8th and 9th graders. So activities for kids. Remember, since we are home, we need to stay active. Either ride your bike or take a walk or just do something outside for a few minutes in the evening. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher. So let's get started.